Hello, bachon. So let's read the question. The question says, the genetic defect adenosine deaminase deficiency may be cured permanently by first option is introducing bone marrow cells producing ADA into cells at early embryonic stages. Second option is administering adenosine deaminase activators. Third is periodic infusion of the genetically engineered lymphocytes having the functional ADA cDNA. And fourth is enzyme replacement therapy. So the key concept for this question is gene therapy. Gene therapy is basically insertion of the genes into an individual in their cells and tissues to treat diseases, especially hereditary diseases, which are basically passed on from one generation to another. तो इनमें बेसिकली जो म्यूटेंट एलील होता है, it is basically replaced by the functional gene. Moreover, gene therapy सबसे पहले यूज हुआ था for curing the adenosine deaminase deficiency, which is the ADA enzyme. इसमें ये हुआ था कि lymphocytes from the patient's blood they were grown outside the body. That means they were grown in the lab. Tissue culture में or cell culture. They were grown in the cell culture. The functional DNA, the functional cDNA or the ADA enzyme was transferred using viral vector and ultimately यही वाला blood वापस डाल दिया गया था patient में. So they were returned to the patient's body. So coming back to the question में पूछा है कि the genetic defect adenosine deaminase deficiency may be cured permanently by. So first option is introducing bone marrow cells producing ADA into the cells at early embryonic stages, which is absolutely right. ये वाले जो periodic the genetically engineered lymphocytes, this one जो functional DNA ADA enzyme का viral vector के through cells में डाला जाता है, which are returned to the patient's body. These are basically not permanent, as a result of which ये periodic infusion होता है इनका. So अगर periodic infusion हो रहा है, that means it is not permanent. So this is wrong. Second option is administering adenosine deaminase activators. This is also wrong. Enzyme replacement therapy भी गलत है. This is not permanent. Permanent one is if we introduce the bone marrow cells producing the functional enzyme. मतलब functional enzyme वाला gene अगर functional enzyme gene is introduced into the bone marrow cells of the bone marrow cells of the embryo. तो embryonic stage में अगर ये करेंगे तो this will be permanent. So the final answer for this question is option A. Hope you understood well. Best of luck.